Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube Kids account. So if you want to delete a YouTube Kids account, you can just follow my step-by-step guide in this video to remove it permanently and manage your child's digital presence. So to do it on desktop, you can just visit this site account.google.com/family, and then you can just tap on your kids profiles, your child's profile, click on it, and then tap on this one, go to family link. Okay, so this is my child's profile. Tap on this account settings, scroll down, and you'll see this one, delete account. So you can just tap on this delete account options, scroll down, and check on this ones right here, and tap on delete account after that. So that's it. Now your YouTube Kids account has been deleted. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.